Rogers Xfinity Stream combines elements of Rogers Communications, a Canadian telecom provider, with Xfinity Stream, Comcast's former streaming service in the US. As of 2025, Xfinity Stream has been fully discontinued. The service shut down on December 31st, 2023. If you're encountering issues, fixing it is no longer possible. What you're likely experiencing are residual effects, such as cache data causing errors or redirects. This section clarifies that the service is defunct and addresses why you can no longer access it. Any troubleshooting steps you might find online are outdated and no longer applicable. Although Xfinity Stream is no longer active, understanding previous troubleshooting steps can be helpful. Before its shutdown, common issues involved browser compatibility, DRM, and cache management. Browser compatibility required modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. DRM, specifically Widevine or PlayReady, ensured secure content playback. Disabling it would cause errors. Corrupted or outdated cache could lead to buffering or login problems. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies, enabling DRM in browser settings, and updating your browser were standard fixes. Remember, these steps are for understanding past issues and will not restore access to Xfinity Stream. If you are experiencing issues with Rogers' own streaming offerings, such as Rogers Ignite TV or YouTube TV integrations, consult Rogers support directly.